We will thank and also acknowledge our great Creator for assembling us here in this great land. There will be struggles, there will be challenges, there will be hard times along the way. That is part of life. But don't ever give up. That's what he said, and it means don't give up.
Resilience is what you have. You keep going no matter what. You fall down, you get up and keep going. And don't ever stay down. Always remember who you are as a First Nations person, to be proud of who you are.
It's a great honor to be here today, and we welcome each and every one of you for joining us for the Tony Cote First Nations Summer Games.
Bringing our strongest, most proud Indian athletes here today on Treaty 6 territory of Lac La Ronge Indian Band.
I know from personal experience how beneficial that is to us as individuals, but also to our communities, to live a healthy way, but also to make sure that you are healthy in mind, spirit, and body. It's all about sport, all about having fun, and I know you're going to do that this week.
It's sports, culture, and recreation. Not to forget our culture, not to forget who we are as First Nations people.
And what a powerful exchange with the Lance Run. It's been an amazing journey. 7 days that the Lance has taken to get here from Saskatoon. The Lance Runners started in James Smith. The spiritual significance that they brought us with the Lance, we're really deeply grateful for that, because it's something that's very sacred and powerful. And thank you, Lance Runners, for blazing the trail and making sure everybody arrived here safely.
One more time, Saskatchewan, for our Lance Runners as they pass off the duties to Team Woodland and the Lac La Ronge Indian Band.
Powerful, powerful. So play hard, have fun, be humble in victory, be humble in defeat.
It's a privilege to participate, and I hope each and every one of you have an amazing time with your family and friends.